Hi, my name is Sandra from Divery. Today I'd like to show you the tool Self-Check-In and how it helps you and your guests and makes things much easier and more smooth. Let's dive into the tool Self-Check-In. I explained to you before that it is possible to do the self-check-in. For example, if you have a separate corner, laptop, or a terminal in the dive center where the guests can go by themselves and do a self-check-in. For this terminal or laptop or whatever it will be, you need a token for the device. So you have to go under Management, Branch, and down there you will find the devices or the token. This token, though this is this long weird letters number constellation, will be needed for the other device. So the system will ask you for the token. Here it is. You just put it inside or type it inside, and then it will look like this. So this is what the guests will see, and then they can go on check-in. If the guest has already an SSI profile, they can have the check-in much easier because the system will get the SSI data and will fill it out automatically. So let's start. So we choose anything. It is important that you are typing in or that there is an email address, otherwise it won't work. So let's choose any street in any city. So here also they can choose language and so on. And here the guests can already choose by themselves if they would like to have a newsletter from you or not. So we say for sure yes. And here they choose the arrival date. Let's say the guest is coming in April. And has a long vacation. They know normally already in which hotel they will stay, but normally not the room number, so it's not necessary to fill anything there. So now they are selecting also the certification. Those things you have to double check also then on spot, but this I'm going to show you later. So when they have been diving the last time. So actually the things what you are normally typing in is the guest is putting by themselves. So this guest is now having also nitrox and deep and can choose already if needed which kind of equipment they need. So let's choose just 2 and yes. So check-in is completed. Then it's coming again to the first dashboard, but how it looks now in your dive center. This I'm going to show you now. So and at the dashboard, under customers and your customer list, you will find the guest which we have just created. So you can go on in, and then we can have a look together with the guest and can control, okay, if it's all true and correct what they wrote inside. So now, okay, this particular guest did a mistake, is checking in now, and also these dates are not correct, and we can choose it also, change it also here. So now the guest is also knowing, okay, in which room it will be, and we can give now also the box number. And why not choosing even a group for them? So this is then all done within a couple of clicks. Then you can have a look together with the guest if all of these data which he or she was typing inside are correct, And then we know, okay, this person was already here. So we click here also for the repeater customer, and for the next time also the number. And we can type in here also how many weight they will need and which preferable tank they like to have. This was all correct. And then you could upload for sure also the documents and. So you see, this is particularly the same what you had before. You're just double checking then with the guest the datas, and this makes your life much easier and the check-in for both sides much faster. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this video. More videos will follow up you. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, or you can have a look also on our social media channels like Facebook and Instagram. I hope you enjoyed it and see you soon.